Oh, it already felt that. Here we go.
That's crazy.
That is crazy. Like yours just fell in a place too.
Yeah.
You feel that? Okay, here, let's do this. Lay on your side, face that way. Yo. It's the other side.
Adin Ross. I feel so lightheaded from that, like in a good way.
Oh yeah, perfect. Slide towards me. There we go. Let me get the phone. Yo. Alright, bring the top way. Alright, hey, you ready for this?
No.
No, you're not ready?
Kinda. I mean, fuck it.
Fuck it. Here we go, right there. Alright, so breathe in and out for me. This will all the way up.
Oh! That was so good. That was really good. That felt really, really good.
Alright, leg face up for me.
Wait, we're doing the neck?
Yeah, we're doing more. Yes.
Nah, you gotta do the upper back.
Oh, face up.
Yeah.
That
Of course, yeah.
Bro,
Alright, Aiden, ready? Breathe up like this.
Oh my god.
This is a much needed one for you right here. See this? Yeah, right here. Breathe in and out for me. All the way out.
Oh!
You're still alive, don't worry.
he's stuck.
What do you think of that?
That was crazy, bro.
That was insane, wasn't it?
That
That's
was
like such a release.
crazy, bro.
Isn't it?
Insane.
It's such a release.
It's like literally a release, yeah.
It is. Okay, start for 2023, bro, right here. Here we go. In and out, breathe in and out. All the way out.
That one was loud.
Wow.
Yo. Wow, bro.
You gotta get on the facial, bro.
Yo.
That's a bad bowl, boy.
Let's get the neck. I think I need a little more right here. Let me look. Woo, there it is.
Little chunk, yeah.
That's what I needed. Just that one little
was great,
extra
bro.
spot there.
Are you doing the neck?
Yep.
Oh no. Jeez, does it feel weird? Does it hurt?
No, I feel good, bro. I feel good.
I swear to God, it feels
good.
Yeah, it's a great feeling.
You know what you're doing?
Of course. Yeah, I know what I'm doing.
I mean,
The
bro,
worst that can happen is your neck snapping in half.
chill, bro.
The worst.
Bro, be honest.
Don't scare me, guys.
Has anyone ever gotten hurt from this? Be honest.
No.
Promise?
Promise. But let me look first. Let me look at your neck. See right there? Does it kind of sore right there, right?
Tiny.
Oh, that
Right there.
there.
Alright, here we go.
Let me know where you're going.
Okay, just relax. Have a
Oh.
Damn.
I heard that.
How did that feel? Is it
Amazing.
I told you it's an amazing feeling.
That's great, bro.
Literally, it's
I feel what it feels. I feel like you literally you get a nut off. I swear to God. Like it feels like you're getting a nut off. I swear to God. In a way, but like with your body.
so easy. Alright, let's get the other side.
Okay.
It's just like that. Alright, let's get this side too. Look around here. Right there. Relax your head for me. Relax your head. Dude, that was a nice one. Like, that's a deep, like, movement in the neck. And you look first. Like,
Okay.
Yeah. What'd you say?
I was gonna say you're gonna upload this and you're gonna have to be able to hear everything, right?
Oh, perfectly with this mic.
That's crazy.
Everything's gonna be like perfect, bro. You relax your head, now just look at anything else here. Actually, you do have a little suboccipital muscles to kind of tight right here. These are just from gaming, but I'm just gonna stretch these muscles. Just kind of like stretch them out.
that's head.
Huh?
Oh my God,
I
it
know
feels
that
so good.
Yeah, for sure. Muscles in here, yeah.
Oh my God.
Relax your head, yeah. And then after this, we're gonna get your ears too, okay?
Okay.
You got your ears. Yeah, your ass. Yeah, he has to get his ears done.
Oh.
You can pop
You
ears.
pop
Yeah,
ears.
of course.
What the?
Well, actually, I'm gonna do something else too. I'm gonna do one more thing on you with this little instrument I brought.
Wait.
Well, I mean, yeah, like it's a special kind of like adjusting tool that can like really be more detail on tweaking stuff. But I'll go over. I mean, it's pretty quick.
Okay.
It'll be quick. Yeah. Let me see.
You doing it, Mo?
No.
Here, so lay face down for me. I'm gonna do one more thing.
Face down?
Yep, face down.
Bro, this is crazy, bro. You stand up and feel it.
I know, right? Isn't it?
I thought you were over here. That feels good. Speaking. Wait,
Oh, I saw that.
oh, where are you putting that, bro?
This is gonna go on your body.
Wait, what part?
Check it out here. Well, you guys will see. It's just. All right, Aiden, so lay face down, Aiden.
Huh?
All right. All right, let's see. Yeah, this is just kind of like more like detailed tweak on the joints. See right there a little bit.
Oh!
You all right?
Uh-huh.
That was good. See?
Yeah.
Not bad. Just a little bit more tweaking on it. You're doing good. Yeah, and this breaks up with like.
Why are you moaning?
Hey,
Blow my back out.
Awesome. Okay, so set up for me. I'm gonna do one more thing for you too.
Oh shit. Okay.
This right here, you can actually go back on the stream and talk to me a bit. I'm putting your deck to help out with like, this helps out with like pain and spasms. So,
What you about to do?
it's called electrical stimulation.
What the?
Wait.
That sounds crazy.
He deserved
It's
it.
good for them though, you know. Especially with all like the streaming, man. I'm telling you.
What the fuck?
you are found guilty. Well, all 10 counts.
Feels so cold.
Yeah,
Wait,
they are.
so you're gonna electrocute me?
Something like that, yeah.
Why is it wet, bro?
Well, I mean, it's like a jelly substance that has to send the electricity into your body.
Okay.
So that sounds cool, right? No. All right, yeah.
Why else not RP chat? Is this her?
No, it shouldn't hurt. It should feel like,
Electrifying.
yeah,
Tell me.
like warm apple pie. You guys ever heard of that?
Nah.
You guys ever heard of that?
No, I have not. Never heard of that in my life,
It's
bro.
like American Pie, but okay, someone know what? You guys ever seen that movie?
Wait, oh, American Pie?
Okay, yeah, it's all, yeah. Oh, American Pie. I'm just kidding. It's a joke, but just
Yo.
All right, are you good?
Yeah.
You can breathe. Okay. Well, I'm gonna try to
breathe.
sing up a little bit.
Put that bitch to 10,000 volts.
Is it good or is it too much for you? Because like I'm moving on for like 10 minutes. While you do this, and then I'll crack more of them. Okay.
Okay.
So is
Wait, hey, yeah.
is it too much for you? Or not?
I'll go a little up.
Yeah. Let me know what you can take, what you can't take. Are you good? Okay. Well, you're good, right?
Bro, I mean, like, damn, bro, you're really blowing my back out.
Sure. Okay, good. It's working. Okay, good. Perfect. So you're just hold it in your hand, okay?
Okay.
And let me know.
See his
Bro, his shit's twitching
Okay, is
crazy.
it too much for you?
Nigga, what the fuck?
I mean, can I grab your hand for?
Yes, baby.
Just a little more here. All right. Who have I not cracked yet? Raise your hand. Don't wait your headphone, okay?
Okay. Wait, I really feel it. Is that normal?
What? Is it too much?
That's good. It's good.
Okay, it's good.
Wait, Ant, are you gonna do it?
Yeah.
You're doing it?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Woo! Guys, Ant's gonna get his back blown out.
Yo,
Hey, lay down like
But
that.
hold on.
Sit up.
Hold on, Aiden. While you're sitting there, let's do your ears. Ready?
Okay.
All right, guys. Ready for this? This is gonna.
And back blown out. And
Back blown out.
and back blown out. And back blown
All
out.
right, here we go. Check it out. If you want to come over here.
Yep. I'll just do the camera.
What are you
Yep.
gun, bro? Yo, you can't. What the fuck?
All right, check it out, Aiden. Right there.
Okay, that was crazy.
What do you think about that?
That was insane.
Right?
I feel like you just threw a rock in my ear.
Isn't that amazing? It's so cool.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
it's actually so a lot of patients. This helps out with vertigo for them.
I'll be calling them to hear this one.
Okay, yeah.
All right, shh.
Here we go, you guys. See it here. Right there.
Yo.
It don't hurt. It don't hurt. It just, it feels so.
You guys all heard that, right?
Yeah.
I heard that,
I mean,
yeah.
if people like never believe that it actually does that. But
No, it